वेलकम बैक टू कम्युनिटी राउंड अप। बॉस्टन में ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया एक इवेंट पावर ऑफ एजुकेशन, जो रहा अ फोरम टू ब्रिंग टुगेदर स्कॉलर्स, बिजनेसमैन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टू ब्रेनस्टॉर्म एंड कम अप विद क्रिएटिव आइडियाज एंड सॉल्यूशंस फॉर रूरल इंडिया। कैच द कमिंग स्टोरी।
स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कहा है कि किसी की जिंदगी को बेहतर बनाने के लिए उसे एजुकेट करना ही सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, और स्वामी जी के उन्हीं विचारों में बिलीव करता है एकल। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने बॉस्टन, न्यू इंग्लैंड में ऑर्गेनाइज किया एन इवेंट, पावर ऑफ एजुकेशन।
Ekal Vidyalaya, as you know, is an organization that is dedicated to education, bringing education to very rural, remote villages. But we thought that it will be a great idea to bring very powerful influencers, great minds from the New England area together to not only understand about Ekal, but to understand what the new opportunities might be to make a difference in the lives of these children.
Ekal is progressing, and now they are thinking of giving vocational education and also education on health, so that they may grow as very healthy and good children to help the nation, because they are the future.
इवेंट के की नोट स्पीकर रहे प्रोफेसर ब्राउन, जिन्होंने यहाँ कल्चर, ट्रेडिशंस और वैल्यूज को साथ मिलाकर एजुकेशनल प्रोजेक्ट्स को आगे बढ़ाने पर जोर दिया।
Well, I've always believed in education, be it young children, early childhood education, or I was a high school physics teacher in rural Kenya, and now I'm educating great musicians from around the world. So anyone who's trying to help educate children, especially those who otherwise wouldn't get access to education, is something I'm inspired by.
I love the message of Ekal. It's very simple. It's $1, 1 day, 1 school, 1 village. And the way they use that message to bring a whole bunch of kids together in one school with one teacher, that's something that's so easy and simple to understand. And that's what I think has helped Ekal scale. So if I were to think about all the entrepreneurs out there, think of a simple message like Ekal's and use that to grow and scale your own business.
ये इवेंट रहा a forum to bring together scholars, businessmen and entrepreneurs to brainstorm and come up with creative ideas and solutions for rural India.
Education is the single greatest cause, and we feel that in India there are thousands, literally millions of children, who could flower and realize their potential if they had education. It's the single biggest cause, I think, and that's why I support it.
I think Ekal does better than any other organization. In a village, it's not enough just, educating people and trying to make them doctors and some, PhDs. Ekal is creating a new cadre of stakeholders in a village. Citizens, educated citizens that take ownership of their own communities. If you look at even United States, Jarna, in the olden days, in very early stages, little villages, they get together with a shared sense of ownership, little bit of education, and that's what we did, and that's how this country became so great. India will do the same with organizations like Ekal. Ekal is the #1 organization we support in India by far.
बच्चे हैं फ्यूचर, और कम्युनिटी कंसर्न है अपने मदरलैंड की ग्रोथ और उसके भविष्य को लेकर। इसीलिए वो करती है सपोर्ट एकल विद्यालय जैसे इनिशिएटिव्स को, जो कर रहे हैं काम अंडर प्रिविलेज बच्चों तक एजुकेशन की सुविधा पहुंचाने की, और इस तरह हो रहा है निर्माण एक बेहतर भविष्य का।
AAPI एक्टिव है इंडियन